What up? It's the Big Bad Boss himself today, tuning in to you guys. Hey, today we're gonna be doing some baby back ribs. So check out these nice slabs of baby back ribs I got right here. I got 4 nice slabs. So I got my favorite, my favorite dry rub and the family favorite dry rub that I made up. I'm gonna go ahead and just cover it all over all of them. We just gonna cover it. Don't worry. So, hey, I'm gonna let the baby back ribs marinate overnight, man. So, we putting these meaty side up. Alright, let's go ahead and get a rolling. Woo! So boy, that smoke is rolling today, baby. Let's go ahead and spritz our ribs down. They looking nice. You see that wood right there? I just got that right there because I'm getting my wood hot before I put it in the fire. Give them a nice little moisture. We 2 hours in on our baby back ribs. We'll go ahead and spritz them down. So we'll spritz them down real good. In an hour, we'll come back and wrap these bad boys up. And you guys stay tuned for this, man. We'll be back shortly. All right, so we'll go ahead and start wrapping our ribs up. When that bone start pulling back, she getting just right. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the sides a little. So I'm gonna be putting some apple juice and honey in here with these ribs. And I'm just gonna process the same thing for all of them. So just sit back and watch. Oh man, they've been wrapped for an hour and a half. Let's get rid of woo. Let's get rid of sauce these things up. Go ahead and sauce our meaty side down. Be using a little bit of the barbecue sauce I made up myself. So I'm just go ahead and do the same for the other two. One I'm gonna just be leaving wrapped in a foil, you know, for grandma. She might not want it with sauce, so alright, so we're gonna go ahead and let that glaze on there for about 20 minutes, you guys. We'll be back, stay tuned. Hey, what we all been waiting for. Hey, thanks for tuning into this video, you guys. The baby back ribs are finally done. See, I only got 3 right now. That's because the other one is, I'm gonna leave that with no sauce, so it's already in the house, just resting. Hey, prayers goes out to everybody that got affected by Hurricane Michael. By the time you see these guys, hey, I hope you guys have power back up and on. If you lost power or have a nice shelter, somewhere to shelter at. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Go over to my Instagram, check me out at Southern Smoke Boston. Peace out.